What's up, gamers? My name is Freon Smurf, and I want to fix my fucking Xbox Elite. Let me show you what the problem is. Typical core model. On the DVD drive, there's a spindle right here, and there's a piece that should stay on, but it doesn't. This a bit later, but this is the missing piece. It's this little fucking washer. See those three dots? That is where the adhesive attaches this device to the Hitachi DVD player, and so it goes right on top of there. Now, due to time, heat, etc., that bond loosens, and this is the magnet that's attached to the top of the drive, and this is what happens. Ta-da! It is attached to the top. And this is what I've seen with my cord and my printer. Take this little piece, super glue it back, and this will fix the unplayable disk error. And this will also fix the noise problems. As you see, my 360, which I fixed earlier, quiet. Alright. Finally have my fucking Elite open. Lo and behold, horrible Hitachi. So, let me unscrew this, and then we'll see if my fucking spindle is magnetized to the top of my fucking case. Survey says fucking A, manufactured in Japan. See this little device in here? Just a shit. Okay, see this? That is a magnetized part that goes to the top of that and sticks to the tray. Wow, the whole piece actually came off. Japanese gamers everywhere laugh. The piece you want is this little piece right here. That whole son of a bitch just fucking... press. Let me reconnect this. You promised me. So, let's see what happens. Tray does open, sticking in a Viva Pinata. A gay game for a gay console. Now there's a sound which I can deal with. Wow, remember that horrible sound? What happens? Well, here's what happens. You got American console made and fucking using cheap parts to mass produce. The magnet in here, and this too, which is also a magnet, pulls the piece out of here to the top of the drive case, thereby you can't read, and you also get the unplayable disc error. Another problem is if you notice, the first time this tray was just going like this and this, it wasn't moving. So what you do, this little spring right here, you just pull that back just a little bit to give a little bit more pull, so this can move this back and forth. Pull this little spring back. I do not super glue it back in. I simply use that piece. But yeah, 1-800 my Xbox or